Good evening, everyone. My name is M. Tejashwini, and I am third year BTech student from Department of Computer Science and Information Technology at Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our English faculty who given us this wonderful opportunity to conduct a case study interview. This activity helps us to improve our communication skills, professional interaction, and confidence while learning from experienced individuals. I would like to introduce our sister for today's interview. She is Srija, and a graduate from Department of Computer Science and Computer Science and Engineering. She has successfully completed her degree in this field, and she that she accepted my invitation to share her experiences and valuable insights with us. Welcome, Akka. Thank you for taking time to join this interview. Before we begin, could you please introduce yourself to everyone?
Yeah. Hi, Tejashwini. I am Srija. I currently passed out, Lendi passed out engineering student in 2026. I currently placed in Lendi Institute of Engineering Technology of Aftronics Company. Now I am in a training state of the Aftronics Company. As you are requested to me introduce yourself, and I encouraged myself for giving you further career growth and career guidance about your journey in our Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. As I know that there are many technologies they are going in our company, and we are near to the final year, and we are getting many placements interviews in Lendi Institute. For that, you have to grow your skills and technologies and technical skills, and as well as other technologies, as the technology is improving today rapidly, so that you have to increase your skills and technology towards our career experiences. As I request you to improve your technical skills on coding on Java, Python, and basic database queries, as you have to place in MNC companies like TCS, Infosys, like that. So, as our Lendi team and technology of our college is give you a better guidance and give the practice sessions for the improving our technology career growth, as you have to utilize your all the experiences and giving your best path of life in your career guidance. What are the questions about it?
Akka, thank you for introducing yourself. It's really inspiring learn about your journey. I would like to ask a few questions based on academic and professional experience. As
Okay.
a CS graduate, your journey from college to the professional world must be an interesting, right? So could you share your journey from college to
Yeah.
current role? And what inspired you to choose this career path?
As I have joined CSC growth of the company, as I completed, but the technologies of the company, the Aftronics is the one of the EC based company. As I placed in a ECS based company, about that role of the technical support role in the EC companies also is very important. One of the student of the CSC, we know Netherlands only MNCs company, other than we have many companies, and we have to increase that skills based on our career growth and experience on our technologies of improving. We have to increase our skills and growth of the technology career guidance according to the first year level of the growth of the C, Python, according to our academic skills, rather than you have to increase your technologies like YouTube. While seeing the many platforms in our internet, we have to browse and we have to increase our career according to the final year. Finally, we can give the best effort for the final year level of the growth, as a basic level of the everything you should be get in a basic. But rather than one technology, you have to be very efficiently, and we have to be confident on speaking skills and communication skills and listening skills and our leadership qualities. Rather than that, only technology skills and technical skills, you have to improve these also skills for the career career in our placements.
Like, Every student wants to know what skills are matter most in today's IT industry. So, according to you, what technical and soft skills should engineering students focus on becoming industry ready? So what do you
As the
think?
technical skills are as the according to the technical skills, you can give on C, Python, Java, C++, Angular, React JS. That's all is okay according to the databases, queries, SQL queries, and join sections. These all are needed. And according to, rather than that, for your final year level of getting the trending technology like quantum computing, as that quantum computing increases our technologies very well, rather in becoming 10 to after a 20 years, the quantum computing is one of the main technology which is increasing rapidly in our career for the main CSE based growth. As the software industry, the main technologies, and we are getting AI trending today. According to AI, we are automating all the technologies without using a manpower. Simply, without a manpower, AI can doing the same work as rather than a man. A man can doing everything without a system that AI can do very rapidly in the place of the AI. So that we have to improve our skills with AI also, and we have to improve our quantum computing technologies as you are become a final year in that life of the Lendi technology.
Yes, Sakka. And nowadays, thank you for sharing these technical skills with us. And nowadays, many students are looking for internships, right? But don't know where to start. Could you tell about your internship experience, what you have done before, and how did you prepare and how did you learn from it? What did you learn from it?
As in our technology of Lindy College, we are giving the edu skills technologies, that internships also. And rather than that, if you in the third year level, you can do in a company internships, that can be a real life of it. And we have the real life experience of how to do a internship in a companies, and how we can get the overall view of the company maintenance, how the internship is going on rapidly. I preferred, uh, rather than the internships in a online, we have to do in a offline. As a third year student, you have to do in a offline. That can be gives the way more precious for your further levels of the career.
Thank you for giving me this information about the internships. And I am sure many students are curious about the placement interviews. Could you share your interview experience and what type of technical HR questions were asked and all of it about interviews?
Based on the interviews, we are giving some domain topics about what the company needs fulfills. Because of that, we have to prepare a proper resume first. We have to maintain a ATS score resume. We have to give that resume first. According to that, main technical skills and major project, what you have done about it. What of the main thing we have to do with that project, that can be more related to the real life situations, that can be maintained properly. And technical skills are based on the coding language only, database queries, and that all comes under the query language and joins technologies based. Rather than that, we are giving the AI technologies, and the quantum computing is enough for the main fresher who is going to the career for the first level of the growth.
That's really nice, Akka. And I have some doubt about internships and interviews, right? You have cleared all of it. And finally, here before we conclude this interview, what advice would you like to give to students who are currently pursuing engineering and dreaming of successful CS industry or IT industry career?
Main thing, I preferred that uh, we have to, as a fresher, we have to increase our skills and knowledge, rather than the income salary. That can be not the one thing. I preferred main the skills and the technologies which we have done in small stage of our BTech college. We have to improve that in our practical life of the career growth. rather than that salaries are coming a better thing after thing. But rather than that, we have to improve as a fresher level. We don't know anything how to survive in our software industry and IT industry. We have to improve our skills and maintain a good proper attire of the knowledge into the interviews in interviews, and give a proper confidence what you have learnt in a 4 years of btech level. You have to give that full confidence on the subject what they have asked about it, other than in your resume. Mainly they are focused on resume, what you have to keep in that resume only makes you that career growth and make our HR questions. Rather main we have to properly introduce our self intro questions, and after that the technical skills, that coding skills are the process of the interview technical skills of that.
Yeah, Akka. And finally, I had a little doubt about projects. And what do you think about which type of projects can suitable for resume? What type of projects are trending or can we build easily to put in resumes and add more weight to
Resume
the resume?
for your next year, they are getting the quantum computing and AI technologies are the main trending technologies rather than the coding. In every aspect, the coding is the one of the part. In after how many years is going, coding is the one of the every day, every rather than day. But for your final year, there will be a AI and quantum computing is one of the major technology. I preferred these two domains is the one of the best part for do the major project, which you can do this these domains. You have to be shortlisted fastly in the career of the next year projects.
Thank you so much, Akka, for sharing your valuable experience and insights. I am sure your guidance will help not only me but also students who are preparing for their careers. It was a pleasure to speaking with you. Thank you once again for giving your valuable time to me. Thank you, Akka.
Okay, thank you so much.